Just breathe. That's the other one that we hear a lot. Just breathe.
I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now.
Good morning. We're here on a beautiful morning at Manzanar, the site of a Japanese internment camp in California. We are actually standing at the Japanese Garden and Mess Hall 12. When I was a kid, I remember reading Farewell to Manzanar. And so one of my goals before the trip was to actually reread the book, which I only got a little bit into. It was a story of a young girl who lived in the San Diego area. Her father was a fisherman, and they came and took her father to the internment camp, and they eventually took the entire family. And what I remember learning from the book was about the change in the family structure for Japanese people. So it's really special for me to be here, and what I didn't realize as we rode through it last night was just the scale of how big Manzanar is. I didn't know how many people were here, and I just didn't know how much land and space it took up. It's a really special place. I encourage you to come visit it if you get a chance.
Lights off.
Holy crap.
That's cool.
You have lots of blinking lights on your head, Kris.
Yeah, there's like 3 of them.
And blue.
Kris is like Christmas head. All right,
Yeah,
we ready to turn around?
I think so.
We'll help you. Good morning, it's day 6 of the California Backcountry Discovery Route, and we're here at the Fish Slough Petroglyphs starting our final day on the BDR. Starting to feel a little bit sad to see it go. I've had a whole lot of fun on this adventure, and boy, if you're in for a sandy desert rock, off-road, fun, crazy, hot adventure, California's got it for you. Day 6, we finished the California BDR. We're here at yeah, woo! Success. We're at the Benton Hot Springs. We're in the tub, obviously, just enjoying a nice, relaxing day. We had to kill some time today because we finished too soon.
We did.
We could have
We had
done.
a very easy day today.
It was nice to just relax and take it easy. We all took a nap in the sun. It was great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uneventful.
Very, very easy trail today for the last section. It goes pretty quick.
Yeah, definitely. If you're going to combine 2 sections, you could easily combine 7 and 8 if you're doing the easy route.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We decided not to do the expert-only route. We wanted to. In fact, we didn't do any bypasses except for skipping that section because there was still snow at high elevation.
Yeah, because this is pretty spectacular. It'd be
Yeah.
a bummer to
Yeah,
miss
that's-
this.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is magical. Like you're just in the middle of the desert, and there's this beautiful grounds with this gorgeous inn and outdoor camping and outdoor tubs and antiques and sprinklers that are hot. It's amazing.
Yeah. So I didn't know a whole lot going into the California BDR. When I agreed to go on this trip, I thought it was like 3 days. I thought it was a long weekend. So like a month out, I found out that it's like an 8-day trip, and I about had a heart attack. Because I thought, oh my God, to be on a motorcycle and in a tent for that long, like mostly it was the tent. I was like, oh my God, what did I agree to?
Wow. I didn't know that.
Sorry we didn't give you all the information.
You probably did. It's me, so I probably missed that little piece or forgot or whatever. So
I'm glad you still came.
Yeah, super
Oh my
glad.
gosh.
It was great having you along.
I'm on a KLX 250, which is a very light bike, which did amazing on this trip, by the way.
It did.
All the baby bike jokes. It did. It's a great bike.
Absolutely.
I've learned a lot on this trip.
Yeah.
What have you learned? Like, what else?
To not bring nearly as much clothing is the main thing. I think everything else in my pack I've used. But then again, I bought all brand new gear before this trip, and it's all black and waterproof. And buying it in Portland, I just was not thinking about the desert. I was just thinking about being waterproof because it's raining outside right now. So it was just poor planning on my part. Get light gear.
What advice would you give to a new BDR rider?
Oh, wow. Talk to lots of people, and don't be afraid to ask questions, even if you think they're silly.
I think this is the BDR where I surprised myself. And I felt really glad for the preparation, because I think really being prepared in endurance, I did a lot of cardio before this trip, and I did some weights, and then a lot of bike prep, and a lot of learning about the route actually was really helpful for me. Even if it increased my trepidation a little, I knew what to expect. Like, I knew that we were getting into stuff that was hard for me. And I think, too, being here, like, the movies and the pictures cannot capture. There were things where I was like, I'm not that interested in seeing it, and then I saw it, and I was like, this is amazing. I really love this.
It really hasn't sunk in that we finished the California BDR. You know, my mind is still back in Mojave Desert somewhere, riding through the Joshua trees. I'm sad to see it go. I don't feel like I've scratched all of the itches yet. But we've also got more BDR adventure ahead of us this summer. All right, guys. Thanks for watching the video series on California BDR. We're really excited to share it with you guys, and we've got a bonus episode coming out, so be sure to check that out as well. And thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like my YouTube channel. Go ahead and give the video a like, and put a comment below if you have thoughts or feedback for us. Thanks.
Give it a like.
People talk and tell what you wanna hear now, but they all disappear, they will let you down. So we better stick together, let's come whatever, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in this world, gonna get it right now. We only need the two of us together. We only need the two of us together. 'Cause we got love.
I have no questions.
And my job is not to laugh during the...
Your job is always to laugh, honey.